Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a fun video. This is a part 2 to my first responding to hate comments video, and I'll leave part 1 in the description box. So I finally feel like I got enough mean, horrible comments to go through to read again and respond to. So yay, let's get started. So just first thing, I don't really know who came up with this concept, but people are just keyboard warriors and they will sit and say rude things. I don't get so much hate just because I'm a smaller channel, but I just can't imagine getting like thousands and thousands of hate comments all the time. It's crazy. People are really ballsy and really mean and horrible. And it has an effect. I mean, not on me personally, but so I just wanted to display some of these wonderful people. Okay, so the first one we have from Lake Sailor. I'm guessing you are a Hillary fan because you sound like such a snowflake. This is a quote. I went into survival mode. That was something that I said. Oh, stop. You're killing me, LOL. Get over yourself. Let me guess. You are a drama major, right? Loser! You got me. Yeah, I was a drama major. No, not really. Was I a Hillary fan? Yeah, I was. I don't know how many subscribers I'm gonna lose for that, but Donald Trump is the worst human being in the world. Next. So this next one is like, just, I don't even know. Why do you have such big ears? If your boyfriend abuses you and pulling you by the ears, then you should report him. You're right. My boyfriend does like to play with my ears. I have big ears, guys. It's just a thing that I have. Has anyone seen the episode of the Kardashians where Kris Jenner literally gets her part of her ear shaved off? Maybe I should like look into that. I don't know. All right, so this next one, I'm not sure if it was a hate comment or if it was just something that's like funny. It's pretty with all the makeup on. Might try being a porn star. No, that's okay. I mean, I've looked into it obviously as a career path, but I just decided that it wasn't for me. Here we have one from my most famous hater who always writes stuff on my video, whose identity I still don't know. Them nails are so tacky and gross. The way that you speak is so tacky and gross, and I love my nails. They're long and they're crazy, and I'll scratch your eyeballs out with them. So the next person left 2 wonderful comments on my video of my 23rd birthday vlog. Worst video I've ever seen. Kim Kardashian wannabe. Whatever. And then she also said, you have a big nose. That's another thing. I do have a big nose and big ears. I don't know what you want me to do. Just coming at somebody's appearance, like literally, what are you even doing? Just get a life. Like you can't even act like you have reason or logic behind your comment. You're literally just being an asshole for the sake of being an asshole. If you're coming up to a stranger and being like, you're ugly, or saying something about their appearance, how are you justified in that? I don't understand that at all. All right, so this one's pretty bad. So this comment was from the video that I left my job in like 3 days, the first job I had. You left because you are stupid ass shit. I don't know if he meant stupid as shit or is he's calling me ass shit. You are ugly as shit with that fucking big ass bird beak. So again, my nose. You're an attention whore. You are worthless, no skills. Whew! You seem to like really hate me super, super hard for watching my life for maybe like 8 minutes. This next one's just kind of funny. I don't even remember what this video was, but they just said, what a pussy, with just an I, P-U-S-S-I. So, okay, that's kind of funny. Whatever you think. All right, this is another one about being a millennial. I get a lot of old people hating on millennials. It's just, oh my God, such an eye roll. I never want to be an old person who's bitter about the younger generations. You had us, we're your kids, you taught us everything we know. Get over yourself and like, you know what I mean? Get with the program. LOL, so disillusioned. Welcome to the real world, toots. And she quoted me, I need time to do laundry and watch Netflix. Ha 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 ha. I just subbed, but changed my mind after this video. You're a true millennial and have no idea what it means to actually work. These comments that I get are all on my I left my job in 3 days video or whatever, which I mean, I'm like asking for it in that video. I'm gonna get people that obviously don't know me, don't really fully understand who I am, my work ethic, the type of person that I am. I work my ass off. I've had a job since I was literally, 12 years old, babysitting and, working at a farmer's market for $6 an hour on the weekends. Like, I've never not worked a day in my life. I do know what hard work is, but I also know what work-life balance is. And just because I want to have time outside of my job and not work, 60 hours a week, I'm a lazy millennial. If that's the way that you live your life, honey, and you have nothing to do other than work, maybe that explains why you're so miserable and taking it out on me. And then the last one I have here, I need you guys to help me decode. It says KYS, and I think that means kill yourself, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll end with it there, as that one's just ridiculous with the amount of suicide and depression and anxiety and whatever that's relevant today. It's just so hurtful. Like, I'm hurt for other people that somebody's leaving this kind of message on one of my videos. Like, what prompts somebody to say that? will never understand. I just don't get it. I think that the people that speak that way to somebody else, ironically, they're the ones, that have the issues. So just telling somebody to kill themselves is just crazy. Like, if you're thinking that I'm crazy and you're thinking you hate me and I'm the most annoying human, whatever, you're entitled to your opinion. I totally get that. I'm a lot of a person. But keep it to yourself or tell a friend. Don't, tell me to kill myself or write in a comment. Like, just relax a little bit. If you're about to, write a crazy comment on somebody's video, take a moment, be logical about it. Don't leave anything that you don't want floating around the internet, and that, would hurt somebody's feelings or maybe cause somebody to actually kill themselves. Maybe that's, you don't know, maybe I am suicidal. Maybe that's the straw that broke the camel's back for me, is seeing that comment, which is not the case in any way. But I'm just kind of using that as an example that I really encourage people to not go crazy fighting on the internet. I did it when I was younger on MySpace and stuff. I don't think I went crazy like that, but it's just kind of wild, and everyone needs to relax. And if you don't like a video, you just literally don't have to watch it or click away. I've seen videos of people that I think are the most annoying person ever, and I'm tempted to leave a comment and speak my mind, but I don't, because what is that accomplishing? Have I left comments with, an opinion on a video? And yeah, I have, but not anywhere near in that type of way that, some of the comments that I'm getting. And if anybody comments and tries to argue with me, I usually don't go there. So I can get that it's easy to get caught up in the moment, but whoa. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you today. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want to see part 3. I'm sure I'll be able to make one in the next few months. I'm sure that I'll get more hate comments, and yeah. So what I would encourage everybody to do is go leave a nice comment on someone's video. Anyone's, not even necessarily mine. But make yourself feel good, compliment people, be kind, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.